Hi everyone. For most of the CAT aspirants and people like you, getting into Blackie IIMs is a dream. What are Blackie IIMs? I am Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Lucknow, and Indore. Getting into one of these old IIMs, it's not just a dream, it's a goal. And what if I told you that I scored a 99.57 percentile in CAT 24 and I converted IIM Indore, but I still chose not to join IIM Indore. This is my third video on this YouTube channel, and the response I've been getting is exhilarating. And I get a lot of comments under my videos. Sir, आपने कौन सा college join करा? आपने कौन सा college convert करा? I thought I'll just make a video out of it, and I converted IIM Indore and Kozhikode on a convertible waitlist. So I'll majorly be making a video on why I left IIM Indore and why I'm not joining IIM Indore. So the story begins. I mean, like, if I'm being very frank, the sole reason, the main reason why I didn't join IIM Indore is because of my elder brother. He was my mentor throughout my CAT journey. He told me कहाँ से पढ़ने हैं, कैसे पढ़ने हैं, कितने mocks देने हैं. Like, he was my mentor, which I'm trying to be yours now. My elder brother was my mentor. I'm trying to be your elder brother and like trying to just guide you through the CAT preparation journey. So उसी ने बोला था, like, उसके बोले I would have, if he wasn't there, I would have joined IIM Indore. But उसने कुछ बातें बोली जो like, you know, stuck in my head. And some, like, the main thing that he said was कि you only do your MBA once in a life and that tag sticks with you forever. Like, it's not like आपके सिर्फ 2 साल का MBA, 2 साल का MBA तो है, but that tag that you have, it sticks with you for the next 40 years of your life. So just I'll tell you a story, right? इस story से अच्छा ज़्यादा relate कर पाओगे. It's a real story. So I had my SP Gen interview in Kolkata. So I was with my brother in Excel Rai Jamshedpur. He was in Excel Rai Jamshedpur. He's a passer from Excel Rai. So we went to Kolkata for the SP Gen interview, and on the railway station of, you know, Kolkata, udhar I saw a guy. He was wearing an IIM t-shirt. So I naturally thought like Kolkata hai, तो like IIM Calcutta का ही बंदा होगा. I was very intrigued. I was very, you know, curious. So I wanted to go and talk to him. So as I was moving to talk to him, उसके पास मैं जा रहा था. थोड़ा पास गया. फिर मैंने उसकी t-shirt पे देखा. It wasn't IIM Calcutta. It was written IIM Ranchi. And then I moved around. I turned and I just came back. And it's like, I'm not trying to demean IIM Ranchi or saying that IIM Ranchi is less than any other college, but it's just the aura, the kind of respect that I have naturally towards, you know, IIM ABC. This is one of the reasons when I pondered upon, मुझे पता चला कितना ज़्यादा इफेक्ट पड़ता है एक टैग का. एक बंदा IIM रांची का और एक बंदा IIM Calcutta का. I'm not comparing IIM Ranchi with Indore, nor comparing IIM Indore with Calcutta, but I'm just saying कि जो टैग का जो फर्क पड़ता है आपका, and it's not just for the 2 years or the, you know, initial 5 to 10 years, it's for the rest of your life. Your whole alumni network, your whole peer group, it, like, you know, बहुत बदल जाएगा if you go from a lower tier college to a higher tier college. Now again, what my brother said, that you do your MBA once in a life, that is true. But also, like, I'm a fresher, so my profile, I'll just tell you all my profile. It's 95 in class 10th, 92.6 in class 12th, and 79 in graduation. And my graduation was in BBA, and I was a fresher. Right now I'm working, but when I gave CAT 24, it was as a fresher. So I didn't have any work ex. So I also thought, like, when I talked to him and when I did my due research, I thought it would make more sense since I have a lot of time. It's not like, you know, kind of old. It's not like I'm in my 30s. I still have time. So I thought, एक ही बार life में करते हैं MBA, so why not do it from the best? So I also have time. I thought मैं थोड़ा work ex gain कर लूँगा. That will really help me in the SIPs and also in the final placements when I go to a B school and finally, you know, sit for the SIPs, अपनी CV वगैरह बनाऊँगा. इसमें काफ़ी help मिलेगी. So I thought this was a good decision to work for a year, get some work ex in. Probably college के अंदर जाऊँगा तो वहाँ पे help भी मिलेगी because IIM Indore का एक तो batch size भी काफ़ी बड़ा है. It's 650 students and उसमें IPM वाले भी बच्चे आते हैं and PGP वाले बच्चे भी आते हैं. So the competition is a little bit tougher because batch size थोड़ा सा बड़ा है वहाँ पे. And since my profile isn't that great, I'm not from any of the SRCCs, IITs, BITS or Stephens of India, right? I'm from a normal, like, you know, tier 2 college. So it's not like मेरा college बहुत अच्छा है. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मेरे पास CFA level 2, level 1 भी नहीं है मेरे पास, right? तो, you know, I thought just मेरी profile इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. Maybe I'll work on better on my profile. I still have some national medals, but that said, like, ऐसे कुछ extraordinary profile नहीं है that will, you know, make me stand out from the crowd. So this is one of the reasons कि थोड़ा work ex ले लूँगा मैं. That will also help me. And by no means IIM Indore is a bad college. It's one of the best colleges to do an MBA in India. It's what Blackie में आता है, old IIM से. And in the place that I am standing in, मुझे लगा कि ये decision चाहिए. Maybe if you are standing in a different position, आपके लिए इंदौर maybe a dream college, but for me, I thought मेरे थोड़े aspirations अलग हैं, perspective अलग है. मैं थोड़ा सा, like, you know, maybe I thought I'm a little young, so that's why this is one of the reasons why I thought to drop IIM Indore. And also the kind of placement opportunities that are provided in ABCs and the Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Calcutta and in Indore are a little bit different. Like I want to get into front-end IB. My profile isn't that great, so I'll have to work a lot on my profile. But the number of offers that are provided in IIM Indore that are a little bit less. ABC को first priority मिलती है. Even MBBKs are McKinsey, Bain, BCG, Kearney. Like these are the top consulting firms. इधर की भी जो भी shortlist होती हैं, they give high priority to ABC, IIM ABC, and Indore की इतना priority नहीं मिलती. So I thought I want to get into these roles only. So maybe I'll work harder. And मैं वापस कार्ड दे रहा हूँ guys, aiming for IIM ABC. Also the startup culture, the peer network that I feel is a little bit better at ABC from all the people that I have talked to. My brother, all my other friends, और भी जितने मेरे seniors वगैरह जिनसे मैंने बात करी, I thought the peer group is a little bit better in ABC, obviously. And the startup culture, the startup incubators also. Like Ahmedabad में, you know Ashni Grover, you know Vinita from Sugar, the founder of Culture Circle. Like all these people, I thought maybe थोड़ा startup में if I go into a little bit of entrepreneurial side, तो maybe वो help मिलेगी मुझे. This is also one of the reasons. And काफी लोग सोच रहे होंगे यार मतलब कितना like easy trying to boast कि इंदौर कन्वर्ट करा फिर भी नहीं जा रहा, पागल है क्या, मतलब इंदौर कन्वर्ट कर लिया, कोई गुड भी है फिर भी नहीं जा रहा है. So guys, like you know, I know it is a risk. Even my parents they told me it is a risk. Maybe इस साल अगर नहीं होता है, next year भी नहीं होता है, then I would regret. But like I'm trying to, my risk appetite is that high. हो सकता है आपका risk appetite इतना high नहीं हो कि आप वापस you know एक इतना अच्छा कॉलेज मिल रहा है उसको छोड़ के आप वापस जॉब लेके वापस दे रहे हो. A lot of people do it, but a lot of people don't. So like I'm one of those people जो कर रहे हैं, जो जिसने ड्रॉप लिया है. So this is on me. I left IIM Indore because I believe that I could do better. Plus I'm a little bit young. Plus I thought working लेके मुझे थोड़ा advantage मिलेगा. These are my main reasons. Also just like my elder brother, he guided me. Like I'm here to guide you all. So आपको जो भी next topic जो भी आपको लगे intriguing है, like you want to know about strategies, B schools, average placements, life at IIM, क्या चलता है, profile को कैसे अच्छा करें. If you want any video on these topics, just let me know down in the comments. So this is the reason why I am leaving IIM Indore, and this is my story since a lot of people were asking. And thank you so much guys for you know giving me the kind of support and love on my videos. So if you want to watch my older videos, previous videos, I'll leave a link for them down in the comments or in the description, so you can just check them out from there. And just like and comment guys, and you know just let me know if you want me to make a video on any other topic like I said before.